the final battle of Captain America: Brave New World, when General Ross transforms into Red Hulk for the first time, he uses his thunderclap to attack Captain America during their fight. But the real question is, how does General Ross already know about Hulk's thunderclap power? Because when Jennifer Walters transformed into She-Hulk, even she had no idea about it.
Tommy!
I think the reason lies at the end of The Incredible Hulk, where Abomination attacks General Ross's helicopter, causing it to catch fire and nearly explode, an explosion that could have killed General Ross, and Hulk used his thunderclap to put out the flames and stop the explosion, so that's how Red Hulk knew about it.